Hello and welcome to BobCAD-CAM. Today we'll take a quick look at all the resources available to help you get the most out of your BobCAD software. The first place to visit is BobCAD-CAM. Here you can find everything you need to get started, from downloads to training resources and technical support. First, visit the Download section to download the newest versions of BobCAD-CAM or BobCAM for SolidWorks. Remember, after the download, check your invoice to get your license ID and password. Now, let's start with training. We offer multiple ways to learn, including resources like Getting Started videos, pre-recorded virtual events, and our live virtual training schedules. But the most valuable resource we offer is Launchpad. This platform gives you access to free courses and training bundles included with your software purchase, ensuring you have all the tools needed to succeed. Inside Launchpad, you'll find courses like Fundamentals for CAD-CAM, 2-axis lathe, mill-turn, laser, plasma, and waterjet fundamentals, BobCAM for SolidWorks, post-processor training, and our newest edition, Wire EDM training. Each course includes structured videos and ends with a test to help you confirm your understanding of the topics. Now, we know that you can do little with your CAD-CAM software without post-processors. On the post-processor site, you will find all the necessary tools and information, including a vast library of posts and ways to customize them. First, check if your post is in the BobCAD-CAM post library. Simply select your BobCAD-CAM version, define the machine type, and select the controller make. Under Controller Make, you will find the post available for that specific controller. If your post is in the library, download it and test it. Remember, you have 2 hours of online training included with your package, so you can have a technician guide you throughout the process. Now, if your post needs simple modifications, click on Post Modifications and follow the instructions. And if you need a brand new post, click on New Post Processor to fill the post request form. After you are done with the Launchpad training and your post, keep up with new features and continuous training with our virtual training schedule. Every other Wednesday, we host live webinars on user-recommended topics, covering everything from CAD fundamentals to advanced machining techniques. And if you still have questions, search our knowledge base for answers or submit a support ticket for personalized assistance. To recap, here's how to make the most of your BobCAD resources. First, visit BobCAD-CAM. Second, download software updates. Third, access hundreds of training videos via Launchpad. Fourth, download or customize your post processors. Fifth, join our live virtual training sessions. And last, use the knowledge base or submit a support ticket for help. We're here to help you succeed. Start exploring these resources today and take your machining skills to the next level with BobCAD-CAM.